Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Uncle Mad. This may look like it's a direct continuation of the last video if you watched that one, and that's because it is. I'm recording this directly after I wrapped up our travel video because we have arrived at Bahia Principe CN Con in their Mexico, Cancun area resort. Our favorite place. We love this place. I'm so glad to be back here. Jess is working with the Privilege Club staff to get us all checked in. I'm not a drinker, but they brought us champagne as soon as we sat down. They're like, hey, welcome. We're so happy to have you here. So I will drink it because I don't want to be rude and turn down the offer they had it here. But cheers. It's been a long day of travel. Probably needed to rest up a little bit. There's some big stuff coming up tonight. We're going to the big fiesta thing because usually when we've come to these places before, we've traveled like Sunday to Sunday. This is the first time ever we've done a Saturday to Saturday trip. So we've got the big fiesta party at like the, my brain's blanking on what the area is called, but like the big like kind of festival market area. We're going to go to that tonight, get some good street tacos, some good margaritas, not me, Chesta probably, and all the kind of fun. It'd be a good way to kick off the week. Last time we were down here in November, it was kind of our wrap up. Today, it's the way we're kicking off the week. So a lot of fun to come, even though we've only got half a day here. That's the great thing about these. As soon as you hit the ground running, they start bringing you drinks. You can do what you want. I love coming here. Right out of the gates, looking over what all we've got on deck here at the mini stage here at CN Con. We got the rock show tonight. Sunday, silent disco. Monday, the circus show. Tuesday, back to the 80s. Wednesday, show pre-Hispanico. Jazz band Thursday, Jersey Boys Friday. My mom would love that. My mom is obsessed with Jersey Boys. Saturday, rock show again. I guess it's Saturday today, that makes sense. This is what we're doing tonight, that we are going to Fiesta Mexicano. This was a blast last time, and the bad thing last time, we didn't realize all the food and stuff was going to be available. So we like ate our regular dinner, and then we were like, oh man, they got all these great like Mexican street tacos and stuff. So Fire beach party. There's gonna be a foam party. Huh. I love CN Con. I like that they have like the versions of stuff they do at like the main resort, but here on the smaller stage where you can kind of relax and not be in like the biggest of crowds. We're gonna have fun here. I actually one time, way back when, I think the first trip we came here and I vlogged it, I got pulled up on stage to participate in one of the shows. I don't think that's gonna happen this trip, but go back and find that one. So the lobby bar here at CN Con is already my favorite spot to lounge around and hang out, especially at night. But they have got TVs up at the bar now, showing a little bit of golf action now. We were talking to our Privilege Club representative, and she said yesterday there's a bunch of people up here watching some hockey games, some of the NHL playoffs. Obviously, I'm a big football man. If we can get some football matches up on the TV at some point in time here, we can have a lot of fun here this week. Checked in. We're in the room. I didn't have to do a blind reveal on this for myself because I know what this room looks like. We've stayed in this setup before. This is the CN Con, one of the penthouses. Is that what it's officially labeled as correctly?
Yep.
All right, cool. So here we go. Quick room tour. Let you know what we're working with here. So I'm in the entryway here. Just is in the little living space area. You got a couple couch. I believe this is actually a fold-out couch, if I'm not mistaken, too. So if you've got like
I think it is.
other traveling people with you, you got that. We got the dining room table, fruits, a nice little bottle of champagne here. This will come in handy because we will inevitably do some room service, either lunch or late night meals. You got your kitchen vestibule here. Water bottles, a nice little sink. You got your fridge, your coffee maker. Fridge is stocked. We got some Pepsis, some Diet Pepsis, some Canadian Dry soda, bottled waters, chips. The alcohols, I'm not even on the right thing. The alcohol is for Jesta. She's going to drink all those before we even leave the room. Most likely. Here's the QR code that you scan if you want to order room service or if you need any ice filled, because like there's no like an ice machine here, so you have to call like room service to get them to fill the ice bucket if you need ice. But this is the QR code, so if you're curious what all they offer, you can probably scan this QR code and find out. Then we go over here. This is not opening, so I don't know what. Maybe it's locked from the other side. I think this is, I don't know. It's the bathroom. Banya, as they say here. Yeah, so we got the back door, 2 doors to the bathroom. Got me here, that's me. Travel Church Salons, we just got here. Mirror. Body milk, as you would like. Dental kit, some Bevragino cups. El toilet. Nice little stand-up shower. You got your shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel on the wall there. Little, what do you call that, rainfall style shower. Cool, cool, cool. Out back here, we've got the bed, sleeping area. You got your TV. This nice little counter here, space. Your bed here. Side things here. Will note, I mean, this is a thing people pay attention to when they're like looking at hotels. Outlets, the old style, just normal plug-in outlets, no USB plug-ins it looks like. So, if you're coming here and needing to figure out what you need for charging your devices, make sure you got the cube so that you can plug in, because this room does not appear to have any kind of like USB style chargers. When we were here in November, we didn't stay at CNCon, we stayed Akamal?
Correct.
Correct. There was rumors floating around that CNCon has a refresh, refurb coming, and I could see that coming because you can kind of see, this is a very nice room. Love this room. This is my favorite resort, but you can definitely see maybe some touch-ups are needed, maybe a little tweaks, a little twists, some here and there things just to kind of get it up to that next level that some of the other areas that they have refurbished are at now. But this is the peak of staying in the penthouse rooms here at CNCon. We're gonna go upstairs. Jess is digging in some chips. She's waving me off. We're gonna upstairs. We're gonna check out the top floor. This is, we've had the swim up rooms recently at Akamal. This is what you get here. This is what you get here. Unlock ski that just spun. Out we go. We have a beautiful, private, secluded little patio area. Can kind of relax here, chill, look out into the jungle, enjoy ourselves. Love it. Got the jacuzzi here. Now, we could not, last time we were here, for the life of us, figure out how to fill the jacuzzi. What we found out is you're technically supposed to call the quote-unquote butler, who's like the concierge for each room, let them know you'd like it filled, and they will come up and fill it for you. So we'll probably do this at least once or twice, just kind of have that filled up and relaxed here. Another little patio table here where you can sit and chill, but yeah, this is why you do the penthouse at CNCon, because you're just secluded, you're out in the jungle, just nice, serene, chill vibes. Looks like we might have some stormy-esque weather rolling in, but that's alright. Kind of see there in the distance, I don't know if you can make it out there, there's like the top of one of the other lobbies here on the property. That is the thing that's both nice, but also like the one negative about CNCon is you gotta, if you want to do anything in the main resort area, you gotta travel. It's on the other side of basically the highway here. So, but with Privilege Club, we have exclusive cart access that can take us over there anytime we need it to. So that's a perk of that. We've talked, ad nauseum about what premium Privilege Club entails in previous videos, previous trips down here, so I won't rehash that. And it's basically like a prepaid membership deal where you get extra perks, extra benefits on your trips here, and it's totally worth it. I can't imagine taking these trips without it. Got a nice Privilege Club bracelet on here. Another sign to me that this resort has to be coming up on being due for a refurb soon is this is just a standard bracelet. The most recent trips we've done, they've started to put your room key in the bracelet, like a little fob or a microchip or whatever you want to call it, and you scan your bracelet to get in. They have not added that feature to the CNCon area here at this resort yet, so that's another thing where I'm like, okay, if they've added that elsewhere, not here quite yet. It's got to be coming. There's got to be a refresh, a refurb coming here, and when that day comes, we will be here excited to check it out because I love this resort. Can't imagine how much better they can make it if they refresh it, clean it up a little bit. I love CineCon. I'm so happy to be here right now. Yeah, Jessica just grabbed me and brought me over here. This is kind of our view from like the living room area. We're just straight looking into the kind of more jungly trees and stuff like that. I think last time we stayed in this style room, unless I'm forgetting a trip, we were kind of overlooking one of the pools. I may be mixing up trips. And so like, we were actually overlooking one of the party pools. So there were some times where we were like, hey y'all, shut up down there. There's adults up here trying to be responsible. But yeah, great room, great place. Very happy to be here. All right, very excited for today, but we're gonna go get a quick food. We just had a long nap. Gonna get a quick bite at the buffet, and then it's fiesta time. Little pool, a little loose right behind us. I love our spot that we're in right now. We're right by like the lobby, pretty literally 30 seconds of walk, and we're already to the lobby. Jessica said there is something she does not like about it. What is your?
We don't have a balcony because we have the roof. We don't have like an actual like balcony in the room. I didn't realize that they were separate like that, but we have the penthouse, so it's fantastic and amazing.
Our entire top floor is a balcony with a hot tub that a butler will fill up for you. Gosh, let's go home. Can we go talk to the Privilege Club and go get them to get us back to Nashville? Is it too late?
Can you stop right now?
I'm still tired after that nap. We don't have a balcony. We should just go home. What? This is ridiculous. Noticed. Right, so we don't usually do the buffets for dinner because we usually have reservations, but we're here tonight just to eat a little something before the big party tonight, but a very nice Mother's Day spread of desserts. They are celebrating moms today. This will be fun. We don't usually do this. I don't know if we've ever had a dinner buffet documented here on the channel tonight. It's always good. That's one bad thing about the nice dinner reservations we usually do is love the meals we get, but they always do a pretty good job on dinners here too, so we kind of miss out on that. So let's just kind of show you what they got here. Nice little spreads. Ooh, nice little bit of everything here. We were really like the first people that walked in. Everybody was kind of sitting in the lobby, and I looked at Jessica. I was like, it's been so long since we did like dinner buffet. I was like, what time does it start? Because it was like weird, like nobody was going inside. Oh, nice little charcuterie board. All these charcuterie board spreads over here that you can get. Mama and cheese. Would they be mad if I took one of those M's, those Brie M's, and ate them? I'm gonna eat
Brie because Brie's a mama.
She is a mother, that's true. But yeah, sushi, little sushi spread over here. Oh, all the shrimps and seafood.
Seafood, I'm already getting
This is just as called. Kind of your normal Rincon Oriental. Got rice, tempura, beef and oyster sauce, tempura. I'm hungry, but I'm like also like I want to like pace myself because we're gonna have good fresh tacos and everything tonight. So we'll see here. I'll just try to pace myself a little bit here. There's some good options over here on the buffet tonight. It's very good. Ooh. You have a couple of little pizza slices. That might be a nice little snacky. Some pizza. Yes. Yeah. So I was gonna try and go a little light because I wanted to save some room for the fiesta, but there's like a ton of good stuff. It's like gala night here. I love our little sit down a la carte dinners that we do most nights here, but I'm kind of wondering if we don't need to start blocking off one or two nights just to have some buffet, because like there was so much that I wanted to eat on this buffet tonight. I mean, pizza. This is the most hodgepodge thing I got, but I got pizza. I got like lobster. This is chicken stroganoff. I've never heard of chicken stroganoff before, so I had to try that. I think this is an empanada. Shout out Chivanadas. I don't know. Potatoes, old beef loin, broccoli, or asparagus to be healthy. Nope, that's not asparagus. Why do I call that asparagus? That's Brussels sprouts. And they have, it looked like they have beef Wellington, but they hadn't carved it yet, so I may have to go back for that at some point in time. We shall see. Okay, a few points of order here. Number one, buffet was way better than I remember it being. Like,
We went on the
very
best
good.
buffet night.
It was
though.
gala night, which is the best night for the buffet, but I mean, they went hard, especially on the desserts. The desserts were crazy. You saw those a little bit earlier.
Mother's Day.
2, I'm a moron. I somehow came to a tropical vacation without sandals, flip-flops, thongs, what have you. I'm walking around in sneakers until we can buy me some
I'll buy you.
sweet release for my feet,
I'll buy you
flip-flops.
flip-flops.
3, this is going to sound really stupid, but it didn't fully occur to me. It is a lot hotter here in Mexico in May than we usually would have come in November. Point of order number 4. Now I'm losing track of my items. Point of order number 4. The penthouse at CNCon is great, but I forgot that we have to walk up 3 flights of stairs to get there. So we're in La Hacienda for the Fiesta Mexicana, and something caught my eye.
We're not getting that. No.
I can't. It's a Titans poncho. I need it.
You don't need it.
I would wear it all the time.
You need flip-ins is what you need.
I do need flip-flops, but I also could use a Titans poncho. Damn. Jessica said no. Band is jamming away at the Fiesta. Fortunately, food currently covered. Not really running up and down on that yet. With the, it's still a little rainy, a little drizzly. So maybe it's been a good decision to go ahead and eat at the gala night at the buffet, and maybe if we're lucky, the rain will pass by and we can grab a taco or two at some point in time. But good way to start the vacation. Nice little party here at the Hacienda. And I still need flip-flops. Alright, so we're gonna hang out maybe a little while longer, see if the rain clears up, maybe we can grab some tacos. But Justin said we cannot go to a Mexican party and not get margaritas. You know me, I think it's the first time I've said this on this trip, but I have to remind everybody, I'm not a drinker, but Justin said we have to honor the culture here, honor the party. You can't come to a Mexican party and not have a margarita, so here you go, cheers. It's quite good. All right, so the rain let up a little bit, so they started food service. I acquired 2 nice looking little steak street tacos. These look quite good. Looking forward to giving them a shot. They had like a nice little salsa bar. I got guac. That's what I put a little guac. Guac on my taco, just like I like it. Bon appetit. And they're really good. I didn't see any napkins or plates anywhere, so this is how I'm going to be for the rest of the night, apparently. Alright, I'm glad we stuck around long enough to get a little bit of that Mexican food, because those street tacos were on point, and I had like just enough room in my belly to fit those in. That's what she said. But they were really good. That was quite good. I actually was talking to Jessica. I was like, the weird thing about these trips is because we do like the a la carte restaurants every meal, and it's like a French restaurant, an Italian restaurant, a Brazilian steakhouse. We rarely ever actually eat the local cuisine, so it was good to actually get a little bit of a, I guess, semi-authentic Mexican food while we're in Mexico, and very good. But rain started picking back up. I think me and Jessica have both had a long day, getting up at 4 a.m. for travel and everything, so it's time to call it a night. Gonna make our way back to the nearby Akmel lobby and work on finding a cart to get us back to our new home for the week at CNCon. Back to the room to wrap up first night in Mexico. I'm proud of us. I was completely run on fumes by the time we even got here, so to have made as much progress, we did take a little nap earlier, so that helped. But to get a nice dinner in at the gala, at the buffet, and head over to the Fiesta Mexicana and have that experience, it was good. It was a good way to start the trip, a good little teaser of what's to come, and just the beginning. Tomorrow, our first full day, tons of fun stuff and adventures to come. Stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn the bell on for notifications so you don't miss anything. And until tomorrow, enjoy your life, enjoy your bagels.